Alright, so on this Wayne pump, I don't know, I don't work on these, but I'm not sure how this comes off. I loosen these bolts, they don't come off. I tried prying here, this won't come off. You have to take these bolts out, and then there's something in there holding these that this comes off. I wanted to look at the capacitor or see, what was going on the inside, because all it does is hum, and if you leave it on, it'll trip the breaker. So yeah, if anybody knows, otherwise I'm going to replace this 1/2 horsepower with the 3/4 horsepower shallow well. Okay, I'll post that for here. Just looking for some answers on this pump. Like I said, I can see in here, and the cap to spin the motor, nothing's bound up. You can see I broke that prying on it. This is to switch it from 110 to 220. But I thought this cap would come off, and I could see if the capacitor's swollen or if there's a centrifugal switch on the pump. But I didn't take these 4 bolts off here, so alright. Of course, it's a Monday and no water in the house for the start of the week, so we gotta get this fixed right away.